Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to completely uninstall your Razer Synapse on your system, then this video is for you. So if you have already installed it on the Razer Synapse on your PC, then you can simply click on the start icon here and search for Razer Synapse. Here you can find the application from here. Then you can do is right click on it. For example, I'm going to search for a random application. It's not actually installed on my PC. So for example, this is the Razer Synapse where you can right click on it and you can find the uninstall option. So you can click on uninstall and you can confirm the installation process here that it will uninstall the application. Or other thing you can do is go to settings. Now when you are settings on your PC, then you can go to the apps and you can find the installed apps here. Now from here you can simply search for Razer Synapse here, and you can find the app where you can find this three-dot button here and you can find the install button. Simply click on uninstall and again click on uninstall and it will uninstall the application with the additional data. Then you can go to the recycle bin and you can simply select that additional files and the application that you have installed, or you can delete it from your file by searching it on from here like Razer Synapse, and you can find the apps and the additional file with this app. You can delete all of them from your system and you can also delete them from the recycle bin. And also you can do another thing, that is you can go to the control panel. You can search for control panel here. Now you can find the programs and features from here in this section here. So simply click on it. Now from here you can find all the applications that are currently installed on your PC. So you can search for the Razer Synapse here. If it's available, then you can simply right click on it and you can find this uninstall button here. So you can uninstall it, or if you can find it after following this process, that means you have completely uninstalled that program on your PC. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.